I am at IKEA to get new shelves for the soap studio and also have a look what can be used as a soaping table. IKEA has a large variety of very versatile furniture that can be used for different purposes, and sometimes if you think outside of the box, you can get very creative. I always like to browse the showrooms, mainly for inspiration and ideas. IKEA has great shelving systems to save space and use vertical space to maximize storage room. Like here, around and above the washing machine, for example, a great way to use the vertical space. This metal shelf is very affordable and could be used as a curing rack because of the airflow. Also great for storage is the Alex series, essentially a drawer system. Very good, especially if you have more so flat items to store like jars, etc. They come in different colors and variations. I love these drawers insert that make it much easier to stay organized. Also, different possibilities to choose from. Speaking of saving space, look at this cool little system that can be added between spaces. I think this is new, I've never seen this before. In the kitchen department, there are different kinds of so-called kitchen islands that could be a great option for a soap working table. This one here is very affordable and offers a good amount of storage room underneath. I love these practical trolleys that come in handy when making soap. Here are other options of kitchen islands, for example this one here with a nice butcher block on top and some space underneath as well. Although this one is more like a dining table, as on the other side there is an empty space where you can put your legs underneath. So it cuts down, of course, in storage room. Here is a smaller wooden version, really nice if you have a very small space, and the drawers are always a bonus. A similar version over here. And here's a smaller variation of the first one we have seen with a drawer and without the empty space in the back, but much smaller. Here are different trolleys again. Another kitchen island, the same type we have seen before, but this one is white. We are in the kitchen tools department. IKEA offers so many solutions to store items. There are also a large variety of drying racks. I'm specifically looking for one to dry soap molds. These are inserts for drawers. Very affordable. And here all types of other drawer inserts. The prices are really amazing. I'm gonna take this one here, 2 of them actually. How cute is this little bar? If you want to film overhead videos, this is a great option to fix the light and camera above, don't you think? I always try to look at these showrooms because you can get some ideas even though you're looking at a different category, if you know what I mean. Here is a shelf I was considering since a long time. It is robust and very affordable. The good thing is that you can customize it and you have this cover that you can put on it if you want to have more a flat surface. These shelves come in different variation. For example, this one is wider. Or then you have a small version that can be added, for example, on top of the table for additional storage space. Here is another affordable shelf for 17 francs. I just want to check if the Samla boxes fit well. Yes, that looks good. The Samla series is amazing. I love the see-through containers because you can easily recognize if you're running out of something, etc. And there are all kinds of sizes as well. IKEA also carries a lot of different glass jars and containers. Definitely something that you want to check out. Over at the baking department you can find spatulas and different kind of measuring spoons and molds, also metal molds and trays if you are making bath bombs, for example. Amazing affordable glass measuring cup. I don't know if this is heat resistant though. And over here some stainless steel bowls in different sizes. Also very practical to mix in different kinds of powders and citric acid and so forth. These trays are the one that I like to use. And also the practical zip bags in different sizes, typical for IKEA. I have an idea of what I'm going to get, although the kitchen island I'm looking for is not here. But you will see the continuation of this very soon here on my channel. Stay tuned and feel free to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.